Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and it's me Saurabh Gunaji starting off with this brand new video. So in today's video we'll be going to Old Goa and I'll be showing you the churches of Old Goa. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. We have reached at the Mercedes Junction, but now I'll be going through the old highway and while returning back I'll be coming through this road which is joining me from my right. Reached at the Diya Circle. From here we'll be going straight to Old Goa. Today we have started the ride at the afternoon. It's almost around 4:30 PM in the evening. And on my left is the Mandavi River. So it's been 6.38 kilometers of the journey and these are the beautiful streets of Goa. The houses here are just beautiful. So I am done 7.8 kilometers of the journey and I have stopped at this beautiful location along the Mandavi River. So we are averaging pretty well today with an average speed of 21 kilometers per hour and at the same time enjoying the journey too. So the church on my right is the St. Peter's Church and soon we'll about to reach Old Goa. In front of me are the churches, but before that I'll show you all my favorite spot. So I usually come at this spot and this is one of my favorite spots here in Old Goa. So I have completed around 12.4 kilometers of the journey and it's going pretty well. Empty roads and maintaining a good average speed of 22 kilometers per hour. So now let's go and explore the churches. In front of me that's the Viceroy's Arch. And soon we'll reach at the Sea Cathedral Church, followed by the Bomb Jesus. But before that we have a church to see here which is on my left. it's quite peaceful here. And now let's move on to our next church. There are almost 3 to 4 churches here to explore. And that's the Sea Cathedral Church. And this is the Gandhi Circle here at Old Goa. We'll take a roundabout and head towards the churches. So on my left is the Basilica of Bom Jesus, and on my right is the Sea Cathedral Church. Now let's go visit another church, that is the Saint Augustine Towers. And in front of me is the Saint Augustine Towers. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but we are pretty close. Currently we are here at the St. Augustine Tower. And till now we have completed around 13.7 kilometers of the ride. Pretty much enjoying the ride, and it's going super smooth. I'll probably take a turn from here now and go to one more spot, that is the Amona Bridge. And from there we'll return back to home. So the target for today is around almost 30 kilometers. And this is the back side of the tower. So yeah, let's enjoy the downhill now. And there we go, it's a downhill. So we have covered all the churches. Now we are heading to a spot from where we can enjoy the sunset. That is from the Amona Bridge. We'll be getting one railway crossing in front. Hopefully the gates are not closed. And the gate is closed. have made it to the Amona bridge. So I am walking on this Amona bridge right now, and it just feels so peaceful here. The sun is just about to set. Few more minutes. Yeah, it was a wonderful ride today. So yeah, let's leave from this place. It's almost about to be the sunset time, and then there will be no lights, and we still have around 12 kilometers to reach home. So yeah, let's head back home. Look at the sunset in front of me. And let's do a sprint. Off-roading section with my road bike. So we are back at the railway crossing. So if we take the road on the left, that goes to another church. That is the Mount Mary Church. Another church on my right. And just enjoy this road. Reached at Santa Cruz and completed around 31 kilometers for today's ride. So that was all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please press that like button, comment down your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye, take care. See you all in the next video.